So if you've ever tried to vacuum seal a bag of soup and watched the liquid get sucked right into the machine, yeah, that's exactly the problem a chamber vacuum sealer completely eliminates. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 chamber vacuum sealers you can grab right now on Amazon, and I'm being real with you about which ones are worth it and which ones you might want to think twice about. All the links are down in the description. Let's get into it. Alright, starting with what most serious home users land on after doing their research, the JVR VAC 100. The pump on this is a commercial-grade, oil-lubricated, rotary-style vacuum pump. It hits vacuum levels exceeding 29.5 inches of mercury, evacuating 99% of the air inside the chamber in a 40-second cycle. For context, most suction sealers top out around 24 to 26 inches of mercury. The difference in actual shelf life extension? Real. The seal bar is 12.3 inches wide, and you can clip 2 6-inch bags simultaneously. If you're processing a big batch of venison or stocking a freezer with meal prep, that's a genuine time saver. The tempered glass lid is shatterproof and lets you watch the process, something a lot of machines skip on. The self-cleaning pump cycle is a longevity feature people overlook. It heats the oil to burn off accumulated moisture from sealing wet foods, keeping the pump healthy long term. And the VAC 100 is retort capable. Swap in the optional retort bar assembly, and you can seal mylar bags up to 7 mil thick. Great for prepping MREs or long-term freeze-dried storage. Accessory hose for canisters and mason jars is included too. It weighs 52 pounds, and US-based customer service at JVR is genuinely excellent. People in forums talk about 45-minute phone calls just to help them figure out the right model. That kind of support matters when you're spending real money. Pros. Oil pump exceeds 29.5 Hg vacuum. Wide 12.3-inch dual clip seal bar. Retort and 7 mil mylar capable. Self-cleaning pump cycle included. Cons. 52 pounds. Needs dedicated counter space. Premium price for home use. Alright, let's move on to number 2. The Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer, model ANCV01, is the most compact option on this list. Weighs about 18 pounds. You can store it in a cabinet between uses, which is a real win if counter space is limited. Anova took the core technology of restaurant-grade chamber sealers and scaled it down for normal kitchens without losing the key performance. You still get true chamber vacuum sealing. The whole chamber evacuates before the bag seals, so liquids, soups, and marinades stay inside the bag without getting pulled out. That's the fundamental edge over suction-style sealers. The marination mode works faster than you'd expect. Pressure cycling forces the liquid into meat in minutes instead of overnight. Not a gimmick. The physics actually work. Controls are one-touch and beginner-friendly. Close the lid and it handles the cycle automatically. And the bags are way cheaper than textured edge sealer bags. Chamber pouches run around 8 cents each, versus 35 cents for branded Food Saver style bags. Over time, that adds up. America's Test Kitchen named this their top pick in the chamber sealer category after real testing. It carries a 2-year manufacturer warranty. If you're a first-time chamber sealer buyer and don't want a huge machine dominating your counter, this is the smartest starting point. Pros. Lightest on the list at 18 pounds. ATK tested and top recommended. Marination mode is genuinely fast. Chamber pouches cost way less. Cons. Smaller chamber limits portion size. Less heavy duty than oil pump machines. Now let's see how this compares to number 3. The Avid Armor USV32 shows up in every best chamber sealer conversation. And with over 1,000 verified Amazon reviews, people are clearly buying and using it. The stainless steel build with a clear tempered glass lid looks and feels solid. And the 4-liter stainless chamber handles large cuts and bulk portions without issue. One thing I want to be upfront about. The USV32 uses a dry piston pump, not an oil pump. For a lot of people, that's actually a plus, because it means zero maintenance. No oil to check or change, ever. The trade-off is, dry pumps tend to be a bit louder, but for home use, it's not a real problem. The 11.5-inch seal bar covers bags up to 11 by 13 inches. True chamber technology means full liquid sealing. Soups, sauces, and marinades stay right in the bag. The marination mode drives flavor deep into meat in minutes. Same physics as the Anova. Accessory hose is included, so you can vacuum external canisters and mason jars. At 26.4 pounds, it's the lightest of the higher-end machines here. You can actually store this one when not in use. Replacement parts are available from Avid Armor directly. Seal bars, gaskets, lid seals, and they offer a 2-year extended warranty if you register the product. Pros: dry pump, 0 oil maintenance, lightest option at 26.4 pounds, dual wire seal bar on every bag, includes accessory hose port. Cons: not retort or mylar capable, smaller chamber depth than others. Alright, moving to number 4, and this one is the VacMaster VP215 is the one hunters, game processors, and small restaurant operators keep coming back to. It's been around for years, and the reason is simple: the pump. It's a 1/5 HP rotary oil pump, rated for prolonged, continuous operation. It won't overheat mid-session, and it won't slow down after 50 bags. People who've switched to this from smaller machines consistently say the jump in consistency is immediately obvious. Faster cycles, quieter, rock-solid vacuum every time. Vacuum depth lands between 27 and 29 inches of mercury. External suction sealers typically max out at 24 to 26. That gap translates directly into longer shelf life and better preservation results. The seal bar is 10.25 inches with a double seal wire. Chamber is 11.25 by 15.25 by 5 inches. Max bag size is 10 by 13. It handles bags from 3 mil up to 7 mil mylar. It comes with filler plates, oil, maintenance kit, and 60 assorted pouches in the box. The honest thing I have to say, 84 pounds. This is not a machine you're putting in a cabinet. It needs a permanent, dedicated spot. But if you have the space and you're doing real volume, this machine will outlast most everything else in your kitchen. VacMaster has 45 plus years of commercial expertise behind the brand. Pros: 1/5 HP pump, runs all day. Deep 27 to 29 inches Hultfram vacuum level. Double seal wire on every bag. Handles 3 to 7 mil mylar bags. Cons: 84 pounds, needs permanent spot. Regular oil pump maintenance required. And rounding out the list at number 5, the budget pick that still gets it done. The VEVOR DZ260A is for anyone who wants to get into chamber sealing without committing to a 4-figure machine. Not glamorous, but it delivers where it counts. The 950 watt pump motor hits a max relative vacuum of negative 100 kilopascal. That's a full atmospheric vacuum. For this price range, that spec is genuinely solid. The 260 watt seal strip is 8 millimeters wide and creates a dual lock seal built to hold up against freezer expansion and long-term storage stress. The chamber measures 17.3 by 16.5 inches, large enough for big steaks, whole loaves, and bulk dry goods. It runs under 70 decibels, quieter than you'd expect at this price. The built-in vacuum gauge shows real-time pressure during the cycle, so you're not guessing and you won't accidentally crush delicate food. The LED display and microcomputer handle the full automatic cycle. Vacuum, seal, cool. No babysitting required. Stainless steel 201 construction resists rust and corrosion, even with oily or salty foods. Runs on standard 110V. Is it as heavy duty as the oil pump machines? No. Dry pump machines have a shorter sealing under continuous commercial use. But for home use and occasional batch sealing, it gets you into true chamber sealing at a price that makes upgrading from a suction sealer feel reasonable. Pros: largest chamber, most interior space. Real-time vacuum gauge included. Quiet operation, under 70 decibels. Most affordable on this list. Cons: pump less durable under heavy use. Replacement parts harder to source. Alright, let me make this quick and simple. JVR VAC 100. Best overall. Oil pump. Retort capable. Wide seal bar. Exceptional support. If you're serious about this, it's the one. Anova Precision. Best for first-timers and smaller kitchens. Compact, proven, and the preset modes make it genuinely versatile beyond just food sealing. Avid Armor USV 32. Best balance of performance and real-world practicality. Lightest on the list. 0 oil maintenance. Handles almost every food situation. VacMaster VP215. Best for high-volume work. Hunters, game processors, small food operations. If you need it to run hard every day, this is built for that. VEVOR DZ260A. Best budget entry. It gets the job done and won't wreck your wallet while you figure out if chamber sealing is right for you. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one fits what you're actually doing. These are all solid options. It really comes down to volume, budget, and how much counter space you've got to work with. If this saved you some research time, a like or subscribe always helps the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.